Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I add another doctor to my Healow app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Healow app. Then once you are there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your profile icon. Simply tap on that and select manage accounts or link to another account. Then tap on add a new account, and on the select relationship screen choose the appropriate relationship, example self, child, spouse, and then tap on save. Then once done, provide your first name, last name, and date of birth. Then tap on continue, and if you have a practice code, select yes, and if you don't have a practice code, select no. Then search for practice by provider name and location. Then once done, verify the selected practice and then tap this is my practice. Then once done, verify your account by choosing a verification method from phone verification or logging with username. Then once done, agree to the terms, set security pin, and your doctor's account is now linked to your Healow app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.